Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the 2023 Ford Ranger. This is a mid-size pickup truck that's been around for a few years now, but it's just been redesigned for the 2023 model year. So, I'm excited to see what's new. The exterior of the 2023 Ranger is a big improvement over the previous model. It's more modern and stylish, and it has a more aggressive stance. The front end is dominated by a large grille with Ford signature headlights. The sides are sleek and muscular, and the rear end is finished off with a stylish tailgate. The interior of the 2023 Ranger is also a big improvement over the previous model. It's more spacious and comfortable, and the materials are higher quality. The dashboard is clean and well organized, and the seats are supportive and comfortable. The infotainment system is also new for 2023, and it's one of the best in the class. The 2023 Ranger is available with two engine options, a 2.3 liters EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine or a 3.0 liters V6 engine. The EcoBoost engine is the more powerful option, and it's the one I'd recommend if you're looking for a truck that's both fun to drive and capable off-road. The V6 engine is a bit more powerful, but it's also less fuel efficient. The 2023 Ranger comes standard with a lot of features, including a 4.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a rear-view camera, and Bluetooth connectivity. Available features include a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a panoramic sunroof, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a suite of driver assistance features. The 2023 Ranger is a capable off-road truck. It comes standard with four-wheel drive, and it's available with a variety of off-road features, such as a locking rear differential, hill descent control, and an off-road suspension. The 2023 Ford Ranger starts at $25,995. That's a bit more expensive than the previous model, but it's still competitive with other mid-size pickup trucks. The 2023 Ford Ranger is a great all-around truck. It's stylish, comfortable, and capable off-road. If you're looking for a mid-size pickup truck that's both fun to drive and practical, the Ranger is a great option. Thanks for watching my review of the 2023 Ford Ranger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.